AeroPilates Pro Reformer with freeform cardio rebounder. If you are looking for a reliable and sturdy Pilates reformer but do not mind one that will most likely be stationary, then the AeroPilates Pro Reformer with freeform rebounder may be the choice for you. This machine weighs a hefty 155 pounds and ranks itself among some of the heavier and bulkier Pilates machines on the market. While it is still great for home use, it may not be the best option for those with limited space. In terms of stability, this machine offers that plus more seeing that it is made from solid oak. It requires expert assembly in a location that allows it to remain stationary, as it may be time-consuming to set up and a hassle to move. Never mind that though. If you are committed to Pilates as your exercise method, as this machine is destined to stick around for quite some time. This Pilates machine has many adjustable features such as a plush padded headrest, foot bar, and ropes. It is also built with aluminum rails and rollers that work together to perfect its operation, allowing the user to perform a wide number of exercises with ease. Here are some pros. Comes with a cardio rebounder, has many adjustable features, made for reliability and long-term use. Here are some cons. Heavy or bulky, since it's not a foldable Pilates reformer like other models.